Shift focus now to Trichy, from where Dr. Tamili Sai Soundarajan is joining us, former BJP president of Tamil Nadu and also former governor of Telangana and lieutenant governor of Puducherry. Tamili Sai, thank you for speaking to India today. DMK says that Home Minister Amit Shah's event today, which was Namma Oru Modi Pongal, was an effort to destabilize unity. How does BJP's Pongal outreach, where you had a number of pots as well, how will it really strengthen Tamil culture and the entire, the point that has been made that DMK is anti-Hindu? How does it really help your narrative?
First of all, I'm very happy that we celebrated the Pongal. That is the Tamil traditional festival. And I'm very happy we are the first political party because all the political parties will celebrate Pongal. We are the first party to celebrate the Pongal, a grand festival, the name of our Honorable Prime Minister. And it is participated and it was inaugurated by our Honorable Home Minister. And 1008 parts, all participants were our Karyakartas, our Mahila Morcha Karyakartas. So we are very happy. It has created a momentum among the BJP Karyakartas and it has given a clear message to Tamil Nadu that BJP is for Tamil Nadu. BJP is not anti-Tamils. BJP is not only for other states. So our Honorable Home Minister was given a very clear message. We are for Tamil Nadu.
Okay, with the DMK dismissing Amit Shah's NDA poll prediction as propaganda during the Pongal celebrations today, how are you really hopeful of this tie, the BJP DMK tie, AIA DMK ties, and how will you be able to come to power? I mean, is this more than rhetoric or pure rhetoric because you want to really
First
drum
of
up
all,
support?
there is misgovernance, empty promises, empty propaganda, and no safety for women. And there is higher confusion in their alliance itself. And people they don't want only power. Should be management. There should be administration. So constantly fighting with the central government and constantly not taking forward the people-centric issues, only giving promises, particularly nearing the election, they are giving the promises. Most of the poll promises were not kept. They did not fulfill it. So with all these things, our honorable Home Minister was very clear in his message. NDA will come to power. DMK should be defeated. So we have formed a strong alliance and there is anti-incumbency is there and the DMK there is even now there is confusion within their alliance. So the message is very clear and apart from that the corrupt DMK government should be finished. They should not come to power because the people are suffering because of corruption.
Dr. Soundarajan, let's look at those images, and I'll ask the producer to put the images of rallies of actor Vijay. Uh, Actor Vijay is now being seen as a strong anti-government voice, a strong anti-DMK voice. He is occupying a space which has been so far occupied by the AIA DMK. Are you not worried about his rise and his popularity?
No, first of all, in a political scenario, we cannot avoid newcomers, new parties, particularly always the cine stars have a fascination towards politics and they believe the fan following will be the cadres, but it is very difficult. Definitely, Vijay will be a player, I can say, but he cannot be a clear political player. He cannot be a clear political opponent unless he aligns with any of the older parties. Isolatedly, he cannot because he can create some noise, but it cannot be a voice of the people. That I am very clear. Even now, the fight is between the DMK and the NDA alliance, ADMK and the BJP. And I am very clear because we have formed a very formidable alliance. As our Honorable Amit Shah ji clearly mentioned, it's a natural alliance. So natural alliance has been formed and as he also said yesterday, when we combine the vote share of the ADMK and the BJP, definitely it outnumbers the other parties. So definitely there will be a change of government, and it will be in favor of NDA, and 2026 it will be in favor of us. That the new seed has been sowed by our Honorable Home Minister even in the beginning of the new year and in the beginning of the festival season.
All right, uh, Dr. Tamili Sai Soundarajan, always a pleasure speaking to you, ma'am. Thank you for joining us.